Take a ride in the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.